Our next topic is types of soil. There are six types of soil: alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. This is the clipping of alluvial soil. What are the characteristics of alluvial soil? Alluvial soil is the most fertile and widespread soil found in India. Means it is the most fertile soil. It is formed due to deposition of file silt, which is known as alluvium. Alluvium is a superfine material which makes the soil fertile. Where are the areas where it can be found? That is northern plain, Gujarat plains, and coastal plain. What are the materials? That is minerals, sand, silt, and clay. Different minerals are also, nutrients are also, that is potash, phosphoric acid, lime. It is very fertile. So sugarcane, rice, wheat, pulses can be grown in these areas. It is divided into two categories, that is khadar and bhangar, new alluvium and old alluvium. In short, it is the most fertile soil in India. It is found in northern plain, Gujarat, and coastal plains. It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and lime, and it is good for the cultivation of sugarcane, rice, wheat, and pulses. It is divided in two categories, that is new alluvium and old alluvium, that is bhangar and khadar. Here you can see that there is a difference between bhangar, khadar, and bhangar. Bhangar is the largest part of the northern plain and composed to the oldest alluvial soil. The floodplain formed by younger alluvium are called khadar. Bhangar is a old alluvium means, and here the floodplain, the plains which are created by rivers after flood, and here it renewed every year. It lie above the floodplain. They resemble terraces, means above the floodplain it can be found, and the soil is renewed everywhere, and it can be found in floodplain area only. The soil in this region locally known as kankar, and it's composed of calcareous deposits, means calcium deposits. The region is very suitable for intensive agricultural activities. Next soil is red soil, seen mainly in low rainfall areas where the rainfall percentage is very low. In these regions you can see that red soil can be found. Porous, friable structure, absence of lime, conquer, impure calcium carbonate, deficient in lime, phosphate, manganese, nitrogen, humus, and potash. Color, why it is in red color? This is very important issue or very important question regarding this soil. Red color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. The lower layer is reddish yellow or yellow, but upper layer is red. Why? Due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. What is the texture? Sandy or clay and loamy. Sandy type texture is there. Wheat, cotton, pulses, tobacco, oil seeds, potato, etc. are cultivated here. It is found where it is found? Basically in southern region of our country, that is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. This is the middle part of our country, and these states are southern part of our country where red soil is found. Next type of soil is black soil, which is black in color, which is good for cotton cultivation. What are the characteristic? It is known as Regur soil. Regur means best soil for cotton cultivation. Most of the Deccan is occupied by black soil. Deccan Plateau region, high water retaining capacity. This is the main characteristic of black soil, that it has high water retaining capacity. This soil is sticky when wet and shrink when dried. It is sticky type character. Self-plugging is a characteristic of the black soil as it develops wide cracks when dried. When it dried, it create cracks over it. It's rich in iron, because of that it looks black, lime, calcium, potassium, aluminum, and magnesium. What are the deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic matter. Color is deep black to light black. It is mainly found in the Deccan Trap region, which is basically known as lava plateau region, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. That is good for cotton cultivation, and groundnuts are also produced in these regions. Our next topic is arid soil. Seen under arid and semi-arid region means dry region where humidity is less, water capacity is less. Deposited mainly by wind activities, high salt content, lack of moisture and humus, conker or impure calcium carbonate content is high, which restricts the infiltration of water. Texture is sandy, red to brown color, and found in western Rajasthan, basically in Thar desert of our country. That is very dry region. In that region we can found this type of soil, which is not so fertile. Only babool, kikar, and thorny bushes can be found over there. Next is forest soil. Forest soil are mainly found in the areas where sufficient rainfall is available. The soil vary in structure and texture depend on mountain environment where they are found. If they are found in valley region, then they are loamy and silty. If they are found in the uppermost region, upper slopes, then the quality of the soil will be coarse. In the snowbound areas of the Himalaya, they experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil found in the lower valley are fertile, and because of that, apple and other dry fruits can be produced over there. Next soil is laterite soil, named from Latin word later, which means brick, becomes so soft when wet, so hard when dried. When it is soft, means it is wet. During wet timing, it is very soft, and when it became dried, it will be very hard. This is the characteristic found in the areas of high temperature and high rainfall, formed as a result of high leaching due to rainfall. Organic matters of the soil will be removed fast by the bacteria as it is high temperature, and humus will be taken quickly by the trees and other plants. Thus humus content is low because of high temperature. The humus will be taken quickly by the trees and other plants. So the humus content is very low. Organic material matter is very low. Rich in iron and aluminum, deficient in nitrogen, potassium, lime, and humus. Color red color due to iron oxide. What are the crops can be grown here? Rice, ragi, sugarcane, cashew nut are cultivated mainly. It is good for cultivation of tea, coffee, and cashew nut. It is found where? South India, basically again Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and middle part of the country, that is Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and northeastern part of our country, that is Assam. Now this is your assignment. What is soil erosion? Mention the types of soil erosion, differentiate between gully and seat erosion, explain the soil conservation measures. What is badland? 5 questions are there. I hope no confusion will be there. You will do in your copy. If any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.